Get out of here. Whoa, whoa. Okay, that was big. Yeah, that was big as I got here. Actually, do we need a sports light on? Yes, alright. Yes, alright, we need to see this, alright? Wait, we need to see this? But yeah. Dad, what are we doing out here? Oh, hold on. Hello there, guys. My name is Bell. Sir. What was that? I saw that. Don't worry, I saw it. I think I just... What did you just do? Dad, I just saw that big lightning strike. I'm gonna go inside. No, Junior, you need to prove your bravery, okay? We're gonna sit here, we're gonna watch it together, alright? Father and son, right? Besides, you want me to do something else rather than watching Charlie and Friends? Actually, I heard that there's supposed to be a tornado watch. What? Why are you saying that? It's true. I heard. Whoa. Oh, man. Alright, shush. Oh. Let's get out of here. Jeez, you don't have to just tell me what to do. God. Hey, you guys gotta sit up here. Alright, Bowser and this blue random guy, idiot. Hey! It's gonna be over here. Where's it? Thunder. Jeez, there's lots of lightning. Although it's February though. Why is there a lot of lightning in February? Well, it's like in the 60s, man. Like, how do you know? I just know, right? What are we doing over here? We're watching the storm over here. Since there's a lot of lightning over here too. Wait, yeah. Stupid rain. Alright. Oh, geez, that was big. Wait, really? Just have to say it that way? Yes, alright. Whoa, alright. Was that necessary? Well, it's lightning. What do you expect? Get out of here. As we see the storm. You know, there should be a girl out here. What? Yeah. I just feel that there needs to be a girl out here. As we watch the storm. After this intense thunderstorm. Three viewers, bro. Viewers. Out. Yeah. Wait, what? You get rid of me. No, I do not. Dad, why is it thunderstorm in February? I don't know, son. I just don't know. That was big, bro. Dad, do I have to watch it? Yes, alright. You wanted to do something together, so we're doing something together. Alright? Alright. Why do you always force the son and yourself to do stuff? Why are you getting into my business? I don't know, it's just like it's wrong. I don't want to go through this, alright? I don't. Also, I heard you were harassing the bank girl. Don't even go there with me. Really gonna go up there? Yeah, I want to start a fight. Yeah, there might be another big lightning strike. Oh yeah, so the lightning's more important than the fight that's gonna happen in a minute. Yeah. Yeah, it is. What are you doing? Just trying to get a dramatic look, alright? What? Okay. That's what scared me. Get out of here. You know what? Come over here, right now. You don't tell me what to do. What, you want to fight? Yes. You know what? Screw this. You've always treated all your family members like crap, and you treated a pig girl like crap. You beat her with a belt. How did you know? I saw the video. Dad, what's going on here? It's personal business, son. How are you able to fight me? You're like some homeless guy, right? How can you fight with no arms or legs? I have ways. Whoa, that was hard. I'll teach you to mess with her. Get your hands off of me now. Oh yeah? Why'd you knock me down? Because you were trying to be tough. You think you're tough? Oh, Jesus, man. What's your problem? My problem? What's yours? I don't have a problem. That scared me. Another one? Jeez. Hey. Don't put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me. Oh, Huh? Where are you going? I'll teach you to get tough with me. How are you guys not scared of the lightning? I don't know. We're just not bothered by it. Like you are. Oh, that's it. Oh, so now it's gonna get dramatic. Oh, gee. Oh, jeez, man. What's your issue? My issue is that you never mess with me again. What? Yo, let's just focus on this one. Oh, so now you want to focus on this one. What the? Stop treating me like I'm a hypocrite. I told you. I told you not to tell me. What's that? Teach him. Oh, this is a new start. Really new. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, come on. Let's be over here, shall we? Wait, why are we on the darker side? I don't know. I'm scared. Oh, why are you leaving the sun behind? Always out getting used to it. Wait, Bill? Yeah. Jeez. I'm gonna strangle you to death. Wait, what? Wait, so I was wait. Alright, you know what? Let's see if we can actually make it in a minute. Why are you holding me like this? You gotta find out why. Wait. Oh, darn. Boy, this is really heavy. So, you know what? Let's sit back down. Stop. I was always joking. Or was I? Yeah, you're psycho. Oh, I'm psycho? Oh my god! Let me in! You gonna respect me? Yes, I like this. All let me out there, please. Oh. Someone left a hat out there for me to wear. Wait, what? Yeah, you heard me. A very big lightning strike is gonna happen. Yeah. Sometimes it may come unexpectedly. That was pathetic. Don't better one. Stop it, stop it. Please stop. Don't encourage it. Don't encourage the storm spirits or whatever you call them. Wait, what? You know it. No, I don't know. You mean, well, just please, alright? Alright, I'll do it. On one condition. Please. I don't want to deal with this right now. How long has the other running now? 17 minutes. Big unexpected, please. Happen anytime now. Any minute now. Yeah? Any minute now. It just happened. Oh yeah, but it wasn't big. There has to be a big one. How long do you think that's gonna take? I don't know. An hour? An hour? I'm not waiting an hour out here. The other reason why I shake is because I'm surprised. I'm seeing the lightning and thunder come back. Wait, what? Yeah, I know. No, this is actually cool. Well, watch for a minute, because there might be another lightning strike happening in a minute. This is much cooler than watching Dopey the Dragon. Is this cooler than watching Charlie and Friends? Yeah, I guess you can say that. What do you mean? You know what I mean. No, I actually don't. Oh, whatever. You don't have to understand, alright? Okay. Oh, jeez, the stupid rain is getting into my face. Oh, don't throw rain on my face. Oh yeah, that's how you're gonna reply to me? But that's why I wouldn't anger nature. Oh yeah, way bad. Jeez, all my trash can is still up there. Wow, crazy. I think I see other clouds up there. Are those clouds, or is that half of the sky? I think those are clouds. It looks like the sky a little bit. You know, because at nighttime the sky's like really black, you know? What? Yeah, it is. Well, this guy must be covered now. Very lucky. Ah, oh, darn it! What's the matter? I was gonna call it a cold lightning strike. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can catch a lightning strike. You're not gonna catch. I gotta see if there's gonna be a lightning strike. Bowser, you're taking a huge risk, man. Wow, come on, where's the lightning when you need it? Holy crap. Bowser, bring the camper back in here. Don't tell me what to do. I'm just doing it for your safety. I'm not trying to boss you around or anything like that. I'm just trying to save you. I'm getting zapped. Well, if I did get zapped and I survived, it would be a cool viral video. Yeah, I guess it would go viral. But it would also cause you to lose your memory. Weird. Weird, yeah. I gotta use the bathroom. Why are you telling me this? I don't know. Oh well. Oh, maybe we'll catch one. Catch what? A lightning strike. What else? Idiot. Oh, you're calling me an idiot. Yeah. This has been going on for like 24 minutes now, alright? No, it can't die down now. It probably won't. But I just saw some clear sky. You don't know if that's clear sky, alright? Don't yell at me, alright? I had a person who already yelled at me, and you know what I did to him? What? I beat him up. What? What do you mean? I beat him up? What do you mean, what do I mean? Wait, what? You get... Bowser, you're insane! I know. But really, you know you're insane? Nah. I know it's good. Wait, what do you mean? I'm going back inside, alright? We'll catch up in a minute. But what if there's a big lightning strike? I don't care. Wait. You're taking a big risk, man. Is that... Maybe that's smoke. Because it wouldn't be going this fast, you know, this guy... I'll pick up in a minute. Because I don't want this to be a too long video. Goodbye.